Laynie and welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, let me start by saying I'm so excited that you are here, and if you are returning to my channel, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. You guys, I'm starting a new trend here on my channel. I want to get to know you guys better, so I'm going to start every video with a question about you. And today's question is, are you a cat or a dog person? Leave your answers down below. I will share with you. I am a total dog person. Cats in my book are okay. It's not that I dislike cats. I have been a cat owner in the past. They just don't share affection in the same way. My dog is literally the most affectionate creature out of any creature I've ever met, even including humans. He's so affectionate. He makes me feel so special. So I am totally a dog person, and I would love to hear if you are a cat or a dog person. Leave it down below. You guys, I have been having some camera difficulties. For real. Just deleted a video I need. OMG, did I delete the other video I need for this video? I hope not. Fingers crossed. Anyways, today's video is going to be a little bit of a review and demo of the new BeautyBlender InstaClean. I saw this on Trend Mood, and then I also saw it when I was shopping at Sephora. I was going through the checkout, and then there it was, and I was like, you know, I do love to quick clean my brushes sometimes. I'm all about that deep clean life, but sometimes you just don't have time for that. So if you want to hear my thoughts on this new InstaClean by BeautyBlender, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so this came in at $16, and you're getting 2 ounces of product. I will say from the Sephora website, it doesn't have good reviews. It's only got 3 out of 5 stars. Only 27 reviews though. I'm going to go between talking and inserting some video clips of me cleaning my brushes. I legitimately cleaned every single brush I own with this. And I also want to do a little bit right in front of you, live action right now. So what it says is it's a waterless cleaning spray that helps lift away surface stains so your beauty blenders and makeup brushes are always in prime condition no matter where you are. Stuff like this can be super handy when traveling or just short on time. Definitely a big fan of quick cleaning products if they're good. No time for a full cleanse, no problem. Like a dry shampoo for your hair, this fast drying spot cleans your brushes. It says it can clean everything from foundation to eyeshadow. It's travel friendly. It's got a subtle calming lavender scent. It is paraben and sulfate free. And I believe it's alcohol free. Yeah, there's no alcohol in it. It is in an aerosol. Let's move my coffee a little farther away as much as I want to eat this. It does have a really nice scent. I used a long time ago, I think it was by Japanesque, is that how you say it? I legitimately hated it. The smell was horrible and it was so greasy feeling, like it got all over the place. This one does have that same kind of oily feel, but it's not crazy greasy. The last one I used that was like this, I mean, it was so greasy. Like it left your hands literally shiny, covered in oil as you were cleaning your brushes. This one definitely is a little greasy, but not nearly as extreme. The scent on this is a lot nicer too. It is subtle. It's not overpowering. If you're cleaning a lot of brushes, you do kind of get tired of smelling it, but it's not bad. So for the video footage that I'm hoping I didn't delete, I actually cleaned every single one of my brushes and my makeup sponge with this product. I don't think that's what it's meant for. I think it's for every now and then, a brush here, a brush there, your beauty blender, you're really in a situation where you need to clean it and you have no way to wash it out. So I don't think this is really meant for cleaning every single brush like I did, but I really wanted to give it a try. So let's go ahead and do like a sponge right now and one of my dirtier brushes. That will be this baby right here. So I will honestly tell you right now, for cleaning a sponge, it did work, but I feel like you have to use a lot of product and you get it all over your hands. I don't know if you can see how wet and shiny my hands are. Like, you have to use a lot of product to clean a sponge. Now, does it work? Yes, it does. This sponge was hella dirty. This is my Real Technique sponge. If you can hear that, like, I'm spraying a lot of product into it. And it is working. It is, and I'm kind of squeezing it into a towel here to try to work some of the product into it. So, I mean, it's definitely cleaning it off. But then at the same time, I'm like, That's a lot of product for this little tiny can to go through for one sponge. And also, like, how do you really get this product fully out of here so that it's not messing up your makeup application the next time you use the sponge? And how are you getting, like, the center of the sponge really, really clean? You know, I am going to fully clean this sponge with the product so you can see it. I'm just working it back and forth and in circles on a towel, and I did kind of squeeze some into the sponge. So, I mean, look, that is so much cleaner. This was so dirty, I used it like 3 days in a row and didn't wash it, just to be real with you guys. But, do I love it for a sponge? Not really. The sponge smells nice, and after wiping it off, it doesn't leave a ton of product behind, but I don't know if you can see how shiny my hand is. So I just feel like this could really affect your makeup application the next time you use it if you're not letting it like air dry for 24 hours, which I'm going to do. But if you were using this as like a, okay, I'm doing my makeup with one product and I want to clean it off real fast and go to the next one, I feel like it's really going to mess up your makeup application, and I just don't feel like it really gets it that clean. Like if I'm going to clean a makeup sponge, I want to wash it out with some soap and water and really get that baby clean. I don't really want quick cleaning for a makeup sponge. Okay, and then for brushes, I will say I like it a lot more for brushes. This is the one I'm going to use. It doesn't look that crazy dirty on camera, but it has had quite a few uses. So I actually like to lay the brush down on the towel and spritz it and then circle it. And I will say, I feel like it works really, really good for this purpose. Like just for eyeshadow brushes, I give it 2 thumbs up. That was such a quick clean. Like if you're going in between eyeshadows and you don't have a lot of brushes, or you're traveling, or you're a makeup artist and you're working on one person, you need to go to the next one, this might be really great. I can't speak as a working makeup artist. I am not that. But it seems like it would be something that would work really well for that purpose. I mean, it definitely got a lot of gunk off there, and the brush looks and feels so much nicer now. I'm going to go ahead and use it also on a face brush. This is what I use for concealer, like getting around my eyebrows, getting up into the inner corner with my concealer. Concealer can be kind of tricky to get off, so I'm going to put a good spritz, and I'm going to work it in circular motions. So like that is much better. For little tiny brushes, absolutely, I really think this works super duper well. Now when we get into more like large face brushes, which I did do in my footage as long as I didn't delete it, which I'll try to insert some now of some bigger brushes. For this, not as much as a fan. You really have to use quite a bit of product because it's a bigger brush. I mean, this one was crazy dirty and it's definitely working. But you guys, this is only my second time busting this out since I filmed doing all the brushes, and I feel like there's not a lot left in here. So for big brushes, would not recommend. Honestly, I probably could go in with a third spray, but I just don't want to waste that much. It feels nice. It definitely looks better, but I don't know if you can see that there is still quite a bit of bronzer in there. So what are my full thoughts on this? I kind of went through them as I was doing it. I'm going to insert some more footage in here, maybe do some voiceovers. We'll see as I get to the editing process. Like I don't know how to convey my thoughts to you guys on this. I like this better than other spray cleaners I've used before. So in that fact, okay, I do like it more than that. I believe it was the Japanese one I used, and I just couldn't stand that. The smell of this is better. It's still greasy, but less greasy than that one I used before. I like the aerosol factor, but if you are, not into using aerosol products, that's going to be a real problem. It makes the spritzer easier. You get like a nice kind of consistent amount of product coming out, so that I do like. The price is kind of up there. I mean, $16 for this small container seems steep to me because, like I said, I did do all my brushes, which isn't what this is for, but I feel like I used over half a can. It's not something you can use many times if you have more than a couple brushes that you're using on a regular basis. Because even like me, without doing face brushes, I use a lot of different eye brushes throughout the week. So even in that, I would be using quite a bit of product per week, and then how many weeks use am I really going to get out of this product? If you are looking for something just easy to throw in your travel bag, nice size, easy to use on the go for travel purposes, I would say this is definitely a very good option. On a regular basis, quick cleaning, fast drying product, I much more prefer the Cinema Secret. You guys, I think I would have to agree with everybody on Sephora. I think this is a valid 3 out of 5 stars. It's not the worst product I've ever used. It is good for on-the-go travel purposes, but for on the regular, I'm going to have to say this is a thumbs down for me. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I would love, love, love for you to be a part of my Lash family. Really, I would. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, both places, because I love getting to know you guys better. And as always, please try to stay positive, because at the end of the day, that is truly all we can try to do. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.